75 leads in an hour is absolutely phenomenal, and I'm going to walk you through it and how to use listings to leads to make it happen. Levi Lascsak recently did a video, and I recommend that you look this up. I want you to watch this video. So, how did he generate 75 leads in an hour? He's doing home buying and home selling webinars. And I've had actually a number of our clients ask me, how can we use listings to leads to do this? And in this video, the way he walks through this, I'm going to walk you through how to exactly set this up. I am going to recommend find this video. The title is We Generated Instant Leads from One Video. It's Levi Lascsak. It's on YouTube. I believe it's under passive prospecting. He makes this so easy to do. And when I show you how to use listings to leads to set up the landing page, the Facebook ad, the post, the email, and the autoresponder for registration, you're going to see how absolutely easy it is to both generate and engage your buyer leads. Will take just a few minutes to do, and then you can duplicate it for other webinars that you want to do in the future. Go to listingstoleads.com, log into your account. If you're not a client, sign up for a free trial. Everything we're going to do here, you can do during a free trial. We'll land on the dashboard, and let's go to landing pages. And I want to make sure that you got a copy of this landing page. So we're just going to copy and paste into listings to leads from this landing page right here. It's going to make it a lot easier for us to get this done. In the landing page section, click Create Landing Page, Add New, Custom Landing Page Buyers, Landing Page Name. I'll say Home Webinar. I'll say April 2025. When you land on this page, let's go ahead and click into the editor before we do anything else. And we're going to change the image, and then we're going to change the text on page 1 and page 2. We're going to set up the autoresponder, and I'm going to change that button to green instead of red. So I will click Upload Image. And if you like that background image, you're more than welcome to use it. I'm just going to use a picture of one of my current listings. Once you got the image there, go ahead and click Save. And once that saves, go ahead and close that tab for background. Click Social Media Share Image. Here we can change this image. I'm going to use the same image, but I'm going to click to here, and I'm going to edit the banner text. So that's the edit. Now I can change the image, rotate it, position it. And then down here, you can say, I can update the text. I'm going to say, click to register for the home buying webinar. Register now for free. Click save. And I'm also going to click here to change the color. I'm going to select green on the right hand or left, right here in this area. I'm also going to use the slider to make that more green. In fact, I'm going to make that more red. And then I'm going to reposition that house by using little in the editor up here. You see where it moves up, change position. That's nice. Click apply, and then let's save it. Next up, I'm going to click styles and color because I just want to change that red to green for the button. Right here, you'll see it's red and green. Just move it around. I'm going to change the slider again all the way to the right. And again, click save. There's nothing we need to do for custom page content, but under form fields, this is where I'm going to copy and paste in the text from the landing page. Go to the landing page or just go ahead and type in what you want for the header. Mine will be 2025 home buying webinar. So back in the editor, I'm just going to click back and forth a few times. So there we go. Title text back at the landing page. I'm going to highlight that. Now, here's what's really cool. All of these items right here. So this list, become a smart home buyer and find out about 6 things to check before buying a home, how to find the best deals in your area. All of these are PDF guides from listings to leads that you can use as lead magnets along with this. You could use it for your content. You could send these out to the people both before, during, and after the webinar. So you can have some really great engagement touches. And so once you copy that, again, just come back into listings to leads. And in the description text section, just paste it in there. Now edit this to be perfect for you. And under the call to action text, because this is a registration page, I'm going to change, get the information to, click to register now. I'm going to save it. And now this page should look absolutely perfect. What we're going to do next is we're going to go to page 2, and then I'm going to edit that section so that I can make sure I get the right information that I want. I'll close background, and under form fields, step 2, that's page 2. We can scroll down a little bit here, make it easier to see. We got name, that's optional. Email is optional. I'm actually going to come here. Oh, it's actually required. So name is required. Email is required. I'm going to put phone. I'm going to click here. I'm going to leave it as optional, but I'm going to put phone number to send reminder to before the call. I'm going to leave it as off because I want people to give me a good number. I don't want them to have to think they have to give it to me. And then I am going to add a field for the date that they want to move. And I'm going to make that optional as well. I'm going to click add new field. Under type, we got paragraph, drop down, check boxes, radio button, and date. That's the one I want. Field name, desired move date. And I'm going to put optional. And I'm just going to put that right here as well. I'm not going to turn on required. Go to add. And now our lead form will collect name, email, and oh, I forgot to turn on phone. So there's phone. Let's save it. Now we'll get name, email, phone, and desired move date. There we go. Absolutely perfect. Last thing we can look at is page 3 or the success page. If you want to edit this, you can. I am going to add here, we will be in touch shortly. I'm going to change that to please check your email for the link to the call to the home buying call on, again, as appropriate, get that done. And that way they'll know to check the email. Maybe if they gave me a wrong email, they'll go back and give us the right email. And that way they can make sure that they get the invitation for a Zoom call or whatever it is that you're going to be doing. Once we're done with everything here, we did the background, we did the image, styles and color, and the form field. We did page 1, intro, page 2, and page 3, the success page. I love to click save. I've lost too many term papers in college not to click save every time I have a chance. Once that saves, we're good there. We can close that and come back to the page right here. And if I refresh this will now update. That's our page. Beautiful. Now let's click marketing tools and let's get marketing this thing and let's get some people to our call. We're going to do an email next. That'll be the second thing I show you. We're going to just use the exact same email that Levi used. Under Facebook and Instagram ad, so easy to do. It's going to default to lead ads. Type in location, select your location. We got the special housing ad category, a lifetime budget of $35. I'm going to do 50. I want to get people there. And Levi was so funny. He said he sent his email out the day before. Let's say your call is going to be next Tuesday, the 15th. We'll run our ad in there and click create ad. Now there's other options that you can do. What this will do is this will get actually name, email, phone number, and purchase time frame before they ever even get to the landing page. Once at the landing page, then they can fill that out to get the registration. Next up, we're going to do a social media post. There are Google ads, but I would not do a Google ad for this. If you're going to do a home selling webinar, you could maybe, but that's up to you. We got a social media post. This will be Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google, and X. I want it everywhere. Look at that. So beautiful. Still fully editable. All I have to do is either schedule the post if I want it to go later or click post now. And that's going to post all of that to my social medias. People will be able to click, go right to the landing page, sign up, all for free. Beautiful. Since we're still talking about social media, I do want to say a couple of things. One is do a short form video. I would definitely take this right here and incorporate it into a script and do Instagram. I would do TikTok, YouTube shorts. I would post it to Facebook. You want to get this out as much as possible. And you could even do 2 or 3 different videos ahead of your call and just rephrase it, reframe it a little bit. But do not hesitate to start doing some videos to support this because that's going to get a lot of views. You're going to get a lot of free promotion from all the socials to support the ad and the other things that you're going to do. Next up, let's do the email. Let's get an email to send to our database. And remember, what Levi did was so easy. And in fact, the one thing I love about his video is when I was talking to clients about this, I was overcomplicating it like crazy. And to listen to somebody like Levi talk it through, you realize, wow, it's actually a lot easier than I was thinking it was going to be. For the email subject line, I'm going to say home buying webinar 2025. Hit next. If you filled out my landing page, which I'd recommend that you do, you're going to have the autoresponder. Scott Pierce here. I'm hosting a live webinar Tuesday at 7 p.m. for those buying their first or next home. Register here. I hope to see you then. Word for word what Levi said in his video. I'm just going to copy and paste. I don't like to overcomplicate things. If you want to go ahead and type it in, you can. Once you get the email good to go, go ahead and click preview. Absolutely awesome. So I got hello, first name, Scott Pierce here. There we go. Click save draft. And the last thing you're going to want to do for the autoresponder is connect your Zoom link or whatever registration you're going to use. Highlight the register here. Go to insert link and click on it and paste the link in there or type it in. I'm just going to show you up. Zoom.com. That'll be my pretend sign up link. Click save draft. Click preview just to make sure that we're good to go. I'll click register here. Perfect. That's just Zoom. That'll go to your page. And then I got my listings to lead signature. Get your free home value estimate now. Beautiful. Some people want to jump ahead of the line. Click for my reviews. It's got your client review website, all your reviews from Google, Zillow, Testimonial Tree. You can add videos like you see here, completely customizable, absolutely beautiful. Just another way to make sure that people see how awesome you are. And I'll send it to our database. So we can either send it through listings to leads. This is for my buyer leads, and click send or schedule. And I can also click copy code, go to my CRM, like Follow Up Boss or something like that. Go to the editor. We're going to send out an email like you see here. And in the editing area here, you're going to see insert HTML. Sometimes it'll say insert source or just source. We're going to paste in what we copied from listings to leads. And so there's our email and Follow Up Boss. Easy to do. And get that to your database. So get this to your buyer leads. We got the ad, we got the post, we've got this. We're going to do a short form video. And I'd also make some posts to Instagram stories. I would do other things on TikTok as well to support this and get as many people to it as possible. If you're going to promote this a few days ahead of time, or at least a week ahead of time, hopefully, I would make sure to send out the email to my database a couple of times just to make sure that they see it. Because there are going to be some people, they'll see the email, they're going to think to register for it, they're going to forget to do it. And then your second email, maybe the day before, would be very appreciated for a lot of them. Let me know how you do. The landing page is easy to produce. You got the autoresponder to make sure that when they register, they're going to get the registration automatically sent to them. You got the email to send out to your database. We did the social media ad and post to get more people to us. I would think about posting it to Facebook Marketplace, put it on other groups if that's appropriate. Get into the mastermind group. Let us know if you have any other great ideas related to this or how it works out for you. And we'll talk to you soon.